Many users complains that they can't hear their favorite songs in peace on Spotify because the songs keep skipping tracks on its own. It can be pretty annoying, especially when you are trying to enjoy music. In this video, we will show you how you can fix Spotify keeps skipping tracks problem on iPhone. The problem can happen due to internet problems, so make sure your iPhone has a good internet connection. You can refresh the connection by turning on the airplane mode. Wait a bit, then turn it off. Track skipping problem can happen due to app crash. So you can force close the Spotify app along with all the apps running in the background. Then turn on the Spotify app again and it can fix the issue. If restarting Spotify app did not fix the issue, make sure to restart your iPhone or any device you are using. It will fix minor software glitches which can be causing the issue. Make sure neither your Wi-Fi, cellular data or Spotify is using low data mode because it can cause this problem. We are using Wi-Fi. Open settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap on the eye icon connected to Wi-Fi. Now turn off low data mode. Now go back and open Spotify, tap settings, tap data saver. Now toggle off low data mode. If there are too much cache and cookies stored on the Spotify app, it can cause the problem. So you can clear the cache to fix this issue. Don't worry, it won't remove any of your downloaded contents. Open Spotify, make sure you're at home, tap settings icon, tap storage, tap delete cache, again tap delete cache, and it will clear the cache on Spotify app. If the Spotify app was not up to date, it can cause the problem with the track skipping. So make sure it is up to date. If updating does not fix the issue, try using the browser version of Spotify. It can fix the issue. Launch your browser, go to spotify.com, tap on the three-line icon, tap login, log into your account. You will get this prompt, tap dismiss. You will be in the web player. Now play the songs and it should fix the issue. If nothing else works, delete the Spotify app, then reinstall it, and it should fix the problem. So guys, this is the way you can fix Spotify keeps skipping tracks on iPhone problem. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box and always stay with our channel. Thank you.